Here's a pair of the Soundcore P31i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphone. So first thing is take the buds out of the case. You can put them in your ear, you can leave them down here. Now from here, next thing is just go directly to your Android phone. You want to go to settings and then your Bluetooth settings. So settings. And then on this phone here, we're going to go to connections and then make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Okay, now we're going to tap on Bluetooth. Now, that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range, and it should show up down here under available devices. Now, the Soundcore P30i did pop up here, so let me tap on that. And we should get a pairing request with the Android phones, okay? So now, we're connected, ready to go. Now, here's the thing. If your P31i did not show up under available devices, then you may be connected to another phone or a TV. If you are, you can go ahead and disconnect or delete it from the Bluetooth list on those devices. And then once you do that, this will automatically go into pairing mode. Or simply just go ahead and factory reset these if you're not able to for it to show up on here. Just factory reset them and that'll work as well. If you want to know how to factory reset these, look below in the description area.